everybody, it's David Herzog here talking at you, and I have a brief overview of my preview of my next computer build. It's going to be an NZXT H510 Flow PC build, and here's the case that I'm going to use right there. It's a black NZXT H510 Pro case, and what I'm going to put in this case is a Asus Z590 A Prime 1200 ATX motherboard, Intel Core i7 11700K, Rocket Lake LGA 1200 processor, Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 32 gigs, two 16 gig sticks, DDR4 3200 desktop memory, and Samsung 980 Pro SSD, 2 terabyte M.2 NVMe, and of course Windows 11. This will be Windows 11 ready. I built one last year. It's going to be that's Windows 11 ready as in last generation. So that is what my next computer build is going to be, the NZXT H510 Flow computer case.